It's no surprise that House One's Harry and Tash are pleased with their living dining room.
It's remarkable.
It's been so cleverly done.
Because last night, it won the week for them.
Harry and Tash by half a point.
But not everyone is happy with the winning room.
Second place to this room, babe.
Winning room.
The winning room.
Ooh. So they've got storage as well down the back here.
Ooh. Some amazing things in the room. Some questionable things going on in that room.
2 different colours too, so that's lovely.
No, that's just a...
No, that's 2 different colours.
These finishings are a dog's breakfast. It's not even sanded.
Oh my God.
Look at this.
There was unsanded plaster, unpainted walls, different colour paint everywhere.
Look at this. What is that there? Look, that isn't even painted. That's not painted at all. Oh, geez.
Jesus, Harry. That's a good paint job.
Is that a joke? That's not winning room, in my opinion. Would you say that's a winning room?
No. Is that yellow?
To what?
Oh, yeah, I can see that.
Looks like there's a different colour in between there and there.
There's a big scratch on the wall there.
Look at the
that's been
plasterwork in the
peeled.
top corner. Have a look at the painting up here.
Yeah, I saw that up there.
The skirtings aren't gapped, the PowerPoint.
Daniel and Jade's room was executed to a T and beautiful.
It's so
and they lost by
unfair.
half a point to this.
That's ridiculous.
And I'm horrified what I'm seeing. Look, mate, I'm not going to lie. I was filthy with it. I got to sit down. Yeah,
It
what can you
sucks.
say?
It sucks when you're half a point behind.